Hey fam, Casper Nyovest fill-up Toyota Stadium in Bloemfontein seems to have been a huge flop. Now he's been trolled for that, with fans saying things like he was busy playing Call of Duty instead of promoting this event. You will remember that Casper is a gamer on Twitch, right? Hence why they feel like if he wasn't busy playing games there, maybe he could have done a better job promoting this event. Some are saying MacG is gonna have a field day with this one. Others feel like music left with the ponytail. And I must say, looking at this and how empty the stadium seems, with Bloom being a student-dominated area, I feel like he didn't do enough research on that. Could he have hosted this event before students left? Maybe the outcome could have been different. But hey, we'll never know, I guess. However, there's good news with this, as during the show, he revealed that he and his wife Pulani are pregnant. So congratulations to them on that. Their son with Thobeka is going to have a sibling. Meanwhile, rumor has it that his baby mama Thobeka Majosi has moved on with this very good-looking man of God. She posted these pictures of herself, man of God, and there's other people they're with. And as you can see on one picture, they even held hands, and she was wishing this man a happy birthday, right? Writing that his ability to pour into everyone else, even when his own cup seems empty, will always be a mystery to her. She is blessed to have him in her corner. Maybe this man was holding her hand while Casper was busy cheating on her with his now wife Pulani during the time when their son was battling cancer in a hospital. And I must say, if this rumor is true, I'd really be happy for her. They really look good together. Otherwise, let's continue this in the comment section. Also, remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.